We're at Gulliver's and we're going to see what's in the gift shop. Gifts, gifts, all the gifts. Let's have a look. What have we got? Oh, it's a busy one.
Dinosaurs and slime. Create your
Jurassic
own
World.
dinosaur sanctuary.
Oh, that's good, isn't it?
That's really cool.
Yeah, dinosaur slime egg.
Walk a dinosaur. So the leads.
And walk a dinosaur.
Yeah.
What like that?
Yeah.
Oh, he's going to eat you. He's going to eat you. Let's put that back before we break something.
You got these again.
Oh, wow.
Slimy. Little
Egg.
Triceratops hatch eggs.
Triceratops egg.
Oh, you can get little bath bombs. How cute are they?
That's very
Oh,
cool.
have you seen that? It's only £4 as well.
That's not bad, is it?
A 3D T-Rex card mask. Create and wear. I love that.
Oh, should we see what's over that side, huh?
Yeah.
Some dogs there, doggies, or dinos. No. Put it down now.
Alright then.
Pretty cool, yeah.
Yeah, £3.50 as well.
$3.50, that's not bad, is it?
Look at that one.
Various magnets and things there. Oh, there's only that side.
Like a dinosaur-y one.
Oh, that's pretty good, isn't
They're
it?
cute, I really like that.
Yeah.
Mad Science Mini Chews.
Mad Science Mini Chews.
They're like millions.
Oh, very good. Those are the sweets, aren't they?
Yeah.
Sweets, your
Classic.
popping things, your classics, aren't they? What have we got over here? Oh, little bottles. That's not too bad, is it?
Gulliver's.
Lost Worlds. Oh.
And this is Miss Gully, isn't it?
Gully's gang.
Yeah. So she's Princess Gully.
Yeah.
She's cute. £16 she is.
£16 for that.
Oh, and you can get a T-Rex.
A
with his
T-Rex
little
with his
arms.
little arms. Ugh. I can't quite reach you.
Yeah, he's adorable.
What's this thing?
£16.
Oh, what is that?
Squishmallow.
No. Stop beating me up. It's on the internet, this is Ev.
Yeah.
What have you found, Ev?
Little Gully.
Little Gully.
Yeah, and he's got a little herd.
There's loads of them, aren't there?
He's adorable. I like him.
Is he a mouse? Looks like a mouse, doesn't it? Little Gully. Oh, wow.
Gulliver
60. Oh, what have we got here?
patches.
Oh, wow.
Love them.
£4
And
for
Lost
them.
World.
Couple of prices there just for various bits. Oh, wow.
I like
It works, doesn't it?
And the pins.
And they're pretty good, aren't they?
And Gully pin.
They are actually quite good,
Yeah,
actually.
they really are.
Oh. We could do that all day.
Yeah,
literally.
me
Could say that
too.
all day. That's pretty good there. I like that.
Yeah.
This is like pocket money, toys kind of things, what we say. Lost World pencils and pens there. Ooh, there's quite a lot of stuff there, isn't there?
Key rings. Yeah, there is.
Key rings and things. £4 for those. Oh, very interesting. What have we got here, Ev?
Armour, shield.
It's sword and shields and an infinity gauntlet. So you could take on Thanos with that.
I think I'm a bit big for this.
Yeah, I don't think that's for you, as it's Ev.
No.
Not tonight, unfortunately.
Unfortunately not.
Ah, here we go, Ev.
Toadstool-y mushroom. You can walk a horse.
You
Just
can
like
walk
you
a
can
horse,
With
you-
your
Dinosaur. You're going to say that's a unicorn. That's a unicorn.
That's a unicorn, yeah. You
Oh.
get unicorn ears.
That one's a horse with a missing horn.
Yeah.
Yeah, not quite the unicorn,
Not quite
is it
a
there?
unicorn, no. So here's a unicorn.
There's some unicorns, yeah.
Oh, I think you get all of them.
Yeah, I think there's all three in there. You've got Electra, Astra and Faith.
Oh, Electra's over there.
Yeah, no, she's here. Look, Electra. She's there.
Yeah.
What have you got there, Ev?
It's a candy-coloured caterpillar.
A candy-coloured caterpillar.
Yeah.
I think it looks like a spine or something, that does, doesn't it?
It's got eyes.
Oh, it's got eyes or something, hasn't it?
Yeah, I like it.
Do you like them?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, they're pretty cool, aren't they?
Yeah, you could have them on your shoulder.
On your shoulder there. Cool, Colin the caterpillar. Oh, he's out.
Oh, little
Cuddle crew. Cuddle crew.
And him.
And you got him.
This dog.
And we got a dinosaur. He's good.
Hello.
Oh, he's got him, caterpillar.
Cute, I like it.
And a cloud
Yeah,
with a donut.
with a donut. Oh, and a bow.
A cloud with a donut and a bow.
Yeah.
I've never seen one of them before.
Candy-inspired plush.
Oh, very good. Hyperion wings over here.
But mermaid instead.
A bit cheaper.
Yeah, just a little bit.
What have we got in there? Oh, wow.
He's got teeth.
Yeah, it's got to see these massive ears.
I like him.
There's a dinosaur.
£22. Yeah.
22 quid.
Yeah.
It's a little bit pricey, isn't it? That?
That's 2
22.
22. Which one's this one?
A corgi.
A corgi.
Yeah.
It does look like a fox, to be fair.
He does look like
I'd say it's a fox.
he's very, very soft.
Very soft and fluffy. Oh, there's some loads of things in here, isn't there, to be fair?
There is some really good bits in here, to be fair.
Yeah. What's in this one? Have Yora.
Yeah, they got the big eyes.
Oh, they have, haven't they?
Yeah.
Oh. $9.50 for a palm pal back there. Oh.
Strange.
What is he? Yeah. A green
Like bear?
bear?
Because he's got a tail. He must be a monkey.
Monkey. Grooky. Grooky gang. Oh, he's Grooky gang.
Look at that.
And what's that? It's a mouse, isn't it?
Yeah, he's well cute.
Oh, that's good. Oh, that's where all them were, weren't they? You get pears and apples down there.
Watermelon.
And a watermelon. Oh, wow. Have a look at this.
Oh, I can buy a mobile phone eraser.
You can buy a new phone.
Yeah.
Oh, that'll be good.
And then rub out my mistakes.
Do all your social mediaing on there and YouTubing.
And YouTubing, a little pocket pen. And set. Oh, a little bit full cred. That's
Oh,
alright,
good, that's
to be
alright,
fair,
isn't it?
isn't
Yeah. Lined, that's
Yeah,
good.
that's good.
It's got the Gully gang on there.
Yes, indeed. Did you ever have one of these cups as a kid? I did.
No, I always wanted one. I had just the straw. You know where it went.
That went round and round.
Yeah, but I never had a cup with them then.
Oh, I think I had the cup.
Can you remember the old, this is when you put 2p in the thing and it went round and
Yeah.
round and round. It just
That's-
reminded me of that for some
yeah.
reason. And what, Peppa Pig?
Oh, should we get a sandwich? A marshmallow sandwich?
Oh, that looks like a nice, healthy, balanced sandwich,
Yes,
doesn't
it does indeed.
Yeah, I'll keep you going, that will. Now, have one of them and then a Peppa Pig lolly.
Yeah.
$2.50 is not bad to be
No,
fair.
it's not too bad.
Too bad at
I
all.
think the giant dummies are cool as well. £3.50
Yeah,
they are.
$3.50 for
You
them.
can get the different lanyards depending on what you want.
Yeah, and you get the lanyards with the dummies by the look of it as well, so that's pretty
Yeah.
good. One bag of sweets for £3 or 3 bags for £7.50. That's not bad actually, is
And
it?
have you seen the giant marshmallows?
Yeah.
Oh, top.
Ooh, merch range.
£10 the tops are. Hoodies
Oh, wow.
20, caps £8.50.
That's pretty good, isn't it? You can-
Okay.
oh wow, you can try the cap on, Ev. Oh, you got blue or pink? Which one are you going for?
They're only little.
Oh, it still suits you though, Ev.
Thank you.
Yeah, nice, they are, aren't they, to be
They're really
fair?
nice.
How much are they? Caps $8.50, hoodie $20, t-shirts 10.
That's the little pink top.
Oh,
Or Gilly.
the
It's
Gilly.
and Gilly.
Gully and Gilly. Oh, it's pretty good actually, isn't it, to be honest? I like some of that merch. The Teddy Bears. Seen them a few times, haven't we? These are a good one actually. It looks a bit scary though.
Yeah, just a little bit.
A bit scary. We got more toys back here. More toys. Things to play with.
Yeah.
I don't understand these things.
They're like fidget spinners.
Fidget spin.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a dinosaur's finger there.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, it's not for me. I don't get it. I don't get it. I know a lot of people like them though. And I like the fidget. I get the fidget aspect of it.
Yeah.
I just not for me.
Got a moon.
It's a moon.
A moon ball light up.
This is why we don't let you bounce balls in the shop, Ev.
I know. Sorry.
Why is there an egg here, Ev?
I don't know, but
Ooh, that's not an egg.
ooh,
Ooh, ooh.
what's that inside?
I don't know.
Is it like a unicorn
It's an
type?
alien.
Alien? Oh,
It's an alien.
not sure. I don't like that.
Ooh, a marble
Marble
bear.
bear, accessorise your things.
Oh,
For £10.
£10. That's quite good, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it
There's
is.
one of the teddy bears sneaking away there. There's bears everywhere.
There is bears
Everywhere you go, there's always a bear. Oh, you found more squishy things.
Yeah, they've got lots of squishy things that you can purchase.
You can get some fries. Oh, we don't want them fries, Ev.
Oh,
Oh,
no,
dear.
thank
You can get a
you.
spaceman. He doesn't seem very squishy.
Oh, that lights up.
He's hard. Ooh,
Oh, and like a jelly
dinosaur.
dinosaur.
A jiggly bracelet.
I've seen these before.
Is that my jiggly bracelet, Ev?
Yeah.
Oh no. Beads alive.
Oh,
Oh no.
like beady things.
What's
that's
that?
weird.
Oh, that's dead squishy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Not
It's like feels sticky as well.
yeah. That's a bit of a strange one, isn't
Weird.
it? Well, all done now. Gone for all the shop here, haven't we?
Yeah.
Seems like we've got like quite a lot of stuff there, doesn't it? Very nice in Gulliver's world. Well, so we've had a little look around Gulliver's shop. It was pretty good, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's really cute.
Lots of pocket money toys and parks aimed at kids. That's exactly what you want to be doing in the shop, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely. And it was nice to see that they had some branded merch too.
Yeah, absolutely brilliant. Some of the tops quite good. 20 quid for a hoodie, 10 for a top and 8.50 for a cap.
Not too bad at all.
Not bad at all. If you like this one, guys, leave a like, subscribe. See you soon.